Sprinkle citrus peels with salt, and you'll thank me later. This trick is genius. It saves money and works wonders. Next time you enjoy citrus fruits, don't toss the peels. Instead, throw the spirals into boiling water. Add 2 tablespoons of salt right away. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir well and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now, pour the mixture into a bowl to cool. The citrus peels are no longer needed. To enhance the formula, add 3½ ounces of vinegar. It should fizz slightly. Stir, then add 7 ounces of dish soap. Finally, pour in about 7 ounces of water and mix thoroughly. Transfer the liquid into bottles. Let's test it. Apply some to a sponge and watch it foam beautifully. I've never had dish soap this good. It cleans effectively, smells fresh, and is perfect for daily use. You're going to love it. Pour Aspirin with fabric softener. These 2 products work wonderfully together, and you'll stop wasting money on something you can make for half the price. To make it happen, here's what you need to do. Take 3 aspirin tablets. If you have expired aspirin tablets, use them. Place them on a piece of paper towel and wrap them. Crush them with a pestle. Pour the aspirin powder into a large container and add 2 cups of hot water. Dissolve the powder in water. Add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. Then add 2 caps of any fabric softener and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Add another 2 cups of water. It can be cold. Mix well and pour everything into a bottle. I used an empty bottle from fabric softener. Make a hole in the cap with a wine opener. This will make it easier to use this liquid. You can also transfer the liquid to a bottle with a sprayer. Here's the best product for cleaning floors. If you have dirty panels, use it. This liquid removes stains and dirt. It disinfects the floor surfaces. At the same time, it smells nice, but its scent repels insects. You can also use it to clean the bathroom floor, especially for cleaning around the toilet. You can use it in any room and enjoy a clean, shiny floor. Pour rice into fabric softener. This trick will solve a common household problem. Take a small plastic container and fill it halfway with rice. Rice is a great moisture absorber, acting as a natural dehumidifier. Next, add about 3 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and enhances moisture absorption, making the mixture more effective and long-lasting. Now, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes odors, helping to eliminate musty smells from clothes and indoor spaces. Finally, pour in 2 capfuls of your favorite fabric softener. This gives the mixture a long-lasting fresh scent. Stir everything well, ensuring the ingredients are evenly mixed. Your homemade air freshener is now ready. Take some damp wipes and place 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the center of each. Fold the wipes and secure the ends with a rubber band. Prepare several of these sachets and place them on shelves, in wardrobes, or in the bathroom. This simple solution gradually releases a pleasant fragrance while absorbing excess moisture. After a few days, when the scent fades, just replace the sachets with new ones. A cheap and effective way to create a natural air freshener. You need to do this as soon as you notice mold around your windows. After this trick, your windows won't fog up and the musty smell will disappear. All you need is this simple method. Start by taking a bowl and pouring in 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Then add 1 cup of vinegar. It has disinfecting, antifungal, and anti-mold properties. Next, you'll need regular table salt, which absorbs moisture. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl and mix everything well. Now take a few cloves and grind them, preferably using a coffee grinder. Transfer the ground cloves to a container. Boil some water and pour it over the cloves, letting them steep. Add 1 cup of this clove infusion to the bowl with the other ingredients, and mix well. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray it on window sills and the surrounding walls to prevent mold from returning. This will help absorb excess moisture from the windows, preventing condensation and keeping the seals mold-free. I've been using this trick in my home for years. I pour a handful of salt into a new laundry liquid. I'm thrilled with the results. Into a bowl, I pour 2 scoops of laundry liquid. Next, I add about 6 tablespoons of dish soap. It has properties that alter the surface tension of water and create foam. The next ingredient is regular table salt. I add 1 tablespoon to my mixture. Salt is a natural cleaning and disinfecting agent. Finally, I add a cup of vinegar. It has cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. I mix everything and transfer it into a spray bottle. This is my go-to solution for special cleaning tasks. It works great on limescale buildup. When I use it to clean the toilet, there's no unpleasant smell from the drain anymore. It also removes yellow stains from ceramics and toilet seats. The polishing properties are evident when cleaning the bathroom sink. It shines beautifully right away. This cleaner is highly efficient and effective. I've thrown away harsh and harmful detergents. This one is gentle and cleans just as thoroughly. Dip a candle in fabric softener. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. Take a pan and toss in 3 regular white candles, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Next, remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour in the melted wax. Then add your favorite scented fabric softener. The next ingredient is cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties and a pleasant, intense scent. Add the cloves to the glass container with the wax and wait for them to sink. Then, add the wick from the melted candle, measuring its ideal height. Hold it in place with a toothpick or clip so it doesn't fall inside. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick and add the cloves again. Your candle is ready. Finally, light it and place it where you spend most of your time. This natural candle will fill your home with the scent of your favorite fabric softener and cloves while helping to get rid of unwanted insects. Place candles in fabric softener. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can be transformed into something entirely different. Take a pan and place the candles on it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use a fork to remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Then add fabric softener. Sprinkle in a few cloves as well. Finally, add the wick to the mixture. Hold it in place with a clothespin so it doesn't fall in. Once the wax solidifies, remove the clothespin. Sprinkle a few more cloves on top of the candle. Finally, light the candle, and you're done. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help you get rid of unwanted mosquitoes.